96.3 WHUR celebrates Black history with McDonald's by recognizing DMV Black excellence.
Here's another trailblazer making our lives better.
Donald C. Hayes, pastor and assistant chief of police for Alexandria, Virginia. One man, two distinct and high-level roles of service. How does he do it? Pastor Hayes has been leading Oakland Baptist Church since 2006, and he's been with Alexandria PD since 1981, receiving numerous awards, including Officer of the Year. A strong advocate for education, he sits on several boards, including Offender Aid and Restoration, the County Corrections Gospel Mission, and Assist Pregnancy. He's passionate about proclaiming the good news to congregation and community. Thank you, Pastor Hayes.
See more DMV Black excellence at WHUR.com.
Brought to you by the local McDonald's owner-operators of Greater Washington, D.C.
Proudly celebrating Black history 365 days a year.